Hey, Portland home buyers and sellers, what if I told you that the average home price just dropped by over $35,000 in a single month? Would you believe me? Stick around because I'm breaking down the March 2025 Portland Metro Market Report, revealing the hottest trends and the numbers that you need to know and what this means for you in today's market. If you're new to my channel, my name's Tom Baker, your go-to realtor here in the Portland metro area. Welcome. Hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of my game-changing real estate content. And if there's anything that I can do for you, if you're looking to move, sell, relocate, or if you're looking to invest in this area, all my contact information is below in the description. You can call or text me anytime. We've got some surprising shifts this month. So let's dive into the numbers and let's uncover what's really happening in the Portland metro housing market. Let's talk about the first segment, which is the average sales prices. Let's start with the big headline. The average sales price in March of this year is $597,400. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Compared to last month's $613,000, that's a 2.6% drop, which translates to a $35,000 decrease. But hold on a second. When we look at March of last year, prices were around $590,400, meaning we're still up 1%, a little over 1% year over year. So what does that mean for you if you're a buyer or a seller in this market? If you're a buyer, this dip could be a chance to snag a deal before prices rebound. Sellers, don't panic. This year-over-year growth still shows that the market is strong, but the timing your sale is key. I'm going to dive deep into seeing what is driving this shift in the next segment, which is all about what's very important when you're looking to buy or sell is how many days this property has been on the market. So let's talk about that. In March of this year, the average days on market is 71. It's a 7-day decrease from February's 78 days. But compared to March of last year, when homes sold in just 66 days, we're seeing a 5-day increase year over year. This tells us the market is cooling very slightly here. I mean very slightly compared to last year, giving buyers a bit more negotiating power in some situations, depending on the house and the location. However, that month-over-month drop shows demand is still alive. And if you're a seller, pricing competitively can help you beat that 71-day average. Buyers, this extra time in the market means you can take a breath and make a smart decision without rushing. And if you're looking at the infographics that I'm showing, all this information is real on what is going on in our market. It is a very strong market, whether you are a buyer and seller, and transactions and closing are happening every single day. So people are still buying even with the interest rates as high as they are. So let's take a look at that inventory we talked about. 2,600 new listings hit the market. It's a massive jump of almost 40%. February, 1,900 listings. Can you believe that? But when you compare it to March's numbers of last year, we're up 10%. This surge in new listings is great news for buyers because we need more inventory out there for you folks, meaning more opportunities for the buyers to find their dream home. Sellers, this increase means that the inventory has strong competition, so staging and pricing your home is probably more important than ever before. If you want to know how many of these listings actually turned into sales, take a look at this infographic as we move on to the next segment, which is all about those pending sales and sold homes. Now, the number of sold homes is a section with a contract. Here is where the action is. Almost 2,200 homes went pending in March of this year, a 34% increase from February 1,600 and a 2.9% uptick from last year's 2,100. That's a strong sign of buyer confidence. Meanwhile, 1,600 homes sold this month, up 13% from February, 1,400, 2.2% higher than March in 2024. These numbers show the market's heating up as we head into spring, with more buyers jumping in and closing deals. Remember, the summertime's the hot season. If you are on the fence about buying, this uptick in activity means you need to act fast on the right property. If you're a seller, this demand is your green light to list now if your home is ready, or as I like to call, market ready. If not, you have time before the big wave is about to hit us. All right. What does all of this mean for you in the Portland metro market as we go into the next section? Buyers, the drop in average sales prices and increased inventory gives you more options and negotiating power. But with pending sales spiking, don't wait too long because you're going to miss out. Sellers, this market is still strong with year-over-year price growth and solid demand, but you're going to need to stand out in a growing pool of listings that's just going to get larger and larger as the year goes on. So whether you're buying or selling, timing and strategy are everything right now. And if you want a personalized advice, drop me a comment below or hit me up. You can call or text me anytime. My contact information is below in the description. I'm here to help you navigate through this market. Summertime's coming, people are moving, kids are out of school. Everybody knows that's a huge time when the market is just exploding, and Oregon is still a hot market. The Pacific Northwest is a very huge market. We are growing. If you found this market update valuable whatsoever, please hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of my Portland real estate content. I drop 2 new videos every single week. My name's Tom Baker, your go-to realtor. I don't want you to miss out on any of the education that I'm providing. And if you're looking for somebody who's aggressive, smart, and professional, please interview me if you're looking to buy, sell, or relocate anywhere in the Portland market. If you already have a realtor in mind or somebody in your family or you do some business with over the years, interview me before you make a decision. I promise you, you'll be glad you did. One last time, hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out on any game-changing content. My contact information is below in the description. You can call or text me anytime. I'm more than happy to help you out. And thank you again so much for checking out my videos. This takes a lot of work to do. Just crossed a little bit over a year on YouTube making these videos for everybody to help people that are looking to buy, sell, some people that are moving here and relocating, and some investors. So I appreciate all the support and all the views and engagement that we got. It really means a lot to me. So it shows that I'm really able to help people out, and the content that I'm providing you is valuable. So thanks so much again for checking this out. Happy Easter to everybody, and have a great day.